We have gotten to our final section of exponent rules, where we are dealing with negative and zero exponents. Okay, two different ways to tackle A, and I'm going to do both of them, and you can choose which way you want to do it. Some of you said, well, I will be adding my exponents because this is a multiplication problem. So when I add my exponents, I get 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus a negative 9 is 0. So I get h to the 0 power, and we learned that anything to the 0 power is 1. What some of you guys did is you said, well, I need to tackle this first. So I'm going to move this down. So this now is h to the 9th on the bottom. Now, when I multiply these two, I get h to the 9th on the top. So really what winds up happening is I have an h to the 9th times 1 over h to the 9th. Well, what happens with these? They cancel out. Guess what I'm left with? 1. So either way works. B, most of you, and this is probably how I would have done it, went ahead and moved these. So this k isn't happy. He wants to go to the top, so now he's k to the positive 10th. This k isn't happy. He wants to go to the bottom, so now he's k to the 12th on the bottom, and here's our fraction bar. And now at this point, we take care of this by subtracting the exponents, and it winds up wherever the bigger exponent is. So this would be k to the second, and it's going to be on the bottom with a 1 on top. Now what some of you guys did was you said, well, we now learned that we can subtract these exponents. So it's really going to be k to the negative 12 minus this exponent here, which is negative 10. So we can change opposite here. We wind up with k to the negative 12, and a positive 10 is the negative second power, and he's not happy. Where does he want to go? To the bottom. So we move him to the bottom, we put a 1 on the top. Well, guess what? We got the exact same answer. So you choose the method that works best for you. Last one here, this is a power of a power. So we look and see if we can do anything inside these parentheses first. And you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm not really going to combine anything or move anything yet. I'm going to go ahead and raise everything with my rainbow rule, and then I'll deal with moving stuff. So we have 4 to the second power. 4 to the second power is 4 times 4, which is 16. Then I have a, and I'm going to multiply these two exponents, and I get a to the negative 6th power. And then I have d to the positive 6th power. And there's one thing I need to do at this point. I need to make this a happy. He is not happy where he is. He wants to go down. So I put a to the 6th on the bottom, and I have 16 d to the 6th on the top. So, hope this helps.